Hello. Do you like it, Mel? Huh, Millen? You like it?
Oh, wow.
Hmm? You like it? Huh? Huh, baby? Hmm? You like it? Huh? Huh?
Look in the thing's face.
You see, what is he doing? Uh-oh, okay. I think that's enough.
No.
That's enough.
A little bit more.
Is that enough, Millen?
He's chewing it.
No, he's not. He doesn't know what to do with it. Oh, Millen. Oh, Millen. Okay.
He's taking it down.
Good job, Millen. Good job, Millen. Yeah. Yeah. Good job.
He's upset. You want it?
You want it too, Naveen? Yeah? You want it too? Yeah, you want it too? Yeah? Okay.
No, he's shutting it down. He's taking it.
Okay, done, Millen? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Good boy. Good boy, Millen. Okay, it's your turn, buddy. And then you get to watch, Millen.
Look at this guy's ready to eat.
You ready? You ready? Huh? You ready? You getting angry? He's getting your food?
He's missing his face.
Hmm? He's eating it.
Yeah, he's taking it down.
Good job, buddy.
Yeah.
Good job. He's eating it.
Mhm.
Good job.
He's actually feeling solids in his mouth for the first time. No.
Clean his mouth a little. Good job.
Yeah, he's taking it in with his mouth, his tongue.
You like it, huh? You like it?
Yeah, he opened his mouth for it.
You like it, huh?
He's good.
Okay.
He's,
Done?
He's almost done. Let him finish
You
it.
almost done? Yummy. Yummy, yummy oatmeal, huh? Say bye-bye for the camera. Say bye-bye for the camera. Bye. Say bye, Bill. Bye, guys. Love ya.